Today we talk about how can you disable like Waplog on your Waplog app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next. So you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just come here to like or block here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean like we block, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.